The journey of food begins in the mouth, where it is chewed and mixed with saliva.
Digestion is how our body turns food into energy.
It begins in the mouth, where teeth chew the food.
Saliva mixes in, breaking food into smaller pieces.
The tongue pushes food down the throat.
Food travels through the esophagus in a wave-like motion. It enters the stomach, where strong acids break it down.
The food becomes a liquid mixture called chyme. Chyme moves into the small intestine.
Here, bile and enzymes break down fats, proteins, and carbs. Nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream.
Leftover waste moves into the large intestine. Water is absorbed, turning waste more solid. The waste collects in the rectum.
Finally, waste leaves the body through the anus. From food to energy of law, this is the human digestive system.